The middle cerebellar peduncles are paired structures that connect the cerebellum to the pons and are composed entirely of centripetal fibers, i.e. incoming fibers. The fibers arise from the pontine nucleus of the opposite hemisphere of the cerebellar cortex. The fibers are arranged in three fasciculi: superior, inferior, and deep. The superior fasciculus, the most superficial, is derived from the upper transverse fibers of the pons. It is directed backward and lateral with superficial to the other two fasciculi, and is distributed mainly to the lobules on the inferior surface of the cerebellar hemisphere and to the parts of the superior surface adjoining the posterior and lateral margins. The inferior fasciculus is formed by the lowest transverse fibers of the pons. It passes under cover of the superior fasciculus and is continued downward and backward more or less parallel with it, to be distributed to the foliar on the undersurface close to the vermis. The deep fasciculus comprises most of the deep transverse fibers of the pons. It is at first covered by the superior and inferior fasciculi, but crosses obliquely and appears on the medial side of the superior, from which it receives a bundle. Its fibers spread out and pass to the upper anterior cerebellar foliar. The fibers of this fasciculus cover those of the inferior cerebellar peduncle.